dictionary. Show it to your kids and say, even though this dictionary is organized in alphabetical order from A to Z, how it came about was a complete accident. You see, in a print shop long ago, there was a large explosion. All of the letters spewed across the room, and as soon as the dust settled, the letters all miraculously dropped onto pieces of paper, creating words, and they were in alphabetical order. Ask the kids to comment on this ridiculous theory of yours as to how the dictionary came to us. Have a student look up the word create in the dictionary and read the definition to the class. Of course, the only reason the dictionary came to us in this form is because someone carefully planned which words went where. In other words, it was created. Slowly place some Legos in a box with a lid and proclaim, "I think I want to make a plane." Shake it thoroughly, even pass it down the classroom to shake. Then dump the Legos out onto a table and act dumbfounded that the jumble of Legos did not automatically transform into a plane. What did I do wrong? Why don't I have a plane? Well, it needs a creator. Have the students repeat after you the first 4 words in the Bible. In the beginning, God. God always was, is, and always will be. In the beginning, God. He has created the entire world. In the beginning, God. Once your students accept these 4 words as truth, they will have no problem understanding and believing all the words in the Bible that come after it. This is Becky from Experience the Bible Creatively, reminding you that props are always better than paper.